So we are here now at Horseshoe Meadow, 10,200 feet, and we got here probably what, like 1:35 or something?
Yeah.
And so we're going to be setting up camp and getting ready to hit the back country tomorrow. So we are excited. Hey guys, it's Adventure Man. I'm here with my friend Ethan.
Yo, what's up, Internet?
And we are going to be just doing an overnight hike, or overnight backpack trip to Cirque Lake, which is near Cottonwood Lakes. We're going out to Horseshoe Meadow, which is where we are at right now. We are spending the night here, and then we have to go get our permit, otherwise we probably would have hiked in already. And we are going to go 5.7 miles approximately, and freeze our butts off, which we're pretty warm at right now, but it's been a cold day up here. And then we will hike out the next day. And he was going to jump in a lake.
Yeah, that's not happening now.
He's reconsidered, which is probably smart, but less entertainment value.
Yes. Yeah, but you get to see a little bit of cold weather, and you might see some snow.
Yeah, they said that there might be some snow at 11,000 feet on the ground, but probably not very much. Although, sadly, there's no snowstorms currently predicted and all the way through Thursday. Although I've been praying for a snowstorm, but I know my mom's been praying against it. I just want a couple inches. That would be awesome. Don't you think?
Yeah, for anybody that wants to know, we're at 10,000 feet right now.
10.2.
Or, yeah, 2.2. Or, hold on, let's get the actual altimeter.
Oh, yeah, he's got his little altimeter app here.
And it works without Wi-Fi or anything.
Which is excellent, because then we'll be able to know exactly how high we are at Cirque Lake. Pun not intended.
10,038, 24.
What?
10,000.
But when you first took it up, now it says 99. Oh, it's fluctuating. Because when we first, we're probably, well, we are a little lower than the parking lot, but not, because when we first got up here it said 10,002, remember?
I'd say that's about a 200 foot, because when we last took it, we were at the first campground, and now we're at the second one. We drove down a little bit, and we're
oh, that's true. I forgot about that.
So
but we are at 10,000.
We're at 9,999, but yeah, it's basically 10,000. So we have a 1,000-foot climb. Hopefully, we'll see some snow.
Yeah.
Tested out some gear, and hopefully we don't die.
Gosh.
Stay tuned for that.
Yeah. Hey, if we die, I'm not eating human. I don't know about him.
Nah, I have plenty of food.
Yeah, me too. I'm just kidding. But,
They say humans taste like pork.
all cannibal jokes aside.
Bacon.
Bacon. Gross. That's just, okay. But yeah, so we're gonna, hike there and do whatever, I guess. I'll probably take some footage and pictures, and what do you think you'll end up doing? Getting pushed into a lake? No.
Hopefully not. I didn't bring it up close for that.
I am not warming you back up. I am not doing that hypothermia crap.
Bacon!
No, not happening. You're gonna die, sorry.
Yeah,
we're gonna make that less awkward for both of us.
Yeah, I'll just die, and you can just bury me up there, and we'll never speak of anything.
Bury you? Like I could get past all the rocks.
Yeah, we'll probably try to circumnavigate the lake. Maybe probably just eat and sleep is probably what we're probably gonna end up doing.
Yeah,
that's a backpacking life. We
will probably have a little bit of altitude issues. We have felt some altitude stuff up here, but it hasn't been too bad. But you know, tomorrow's going to be different because we are going to be carrying a pack, and we are going to be going up in altitude, and hopefully we get a decent sleep tonight, because altitude can often affect your ability to sleep, which is really annoying.
But it also helps you when you sleep at altitude once you start climbing, because you're acclimated.
Yes, when you get acclimated, you sleep well, especially after a hard hike, or any hike really out here.
And we're going to be putting away tons of calories to keep us warm.
Oh yeah.
Mainly because our bags are not rated for this weather, so...
Well, I don't know exactly what mine's rated for. It's an old bag, but it works pretty good.
-8 is my extreme, and the weather is going to be 23, so that's what they consider the limit on North Face Bighorn bag. So,
and so we've been checking the weather at Whitney Portal, which is the closest place I can get to where we'll be, where you can get the weather, and it's at like 9,000 something feet. And tomorrow, last I saw, it's supposed to be like 61 there as a high, and 32 there as a low. But since we're going up in elevation a couple thousand feet, it'll be at least 6 degrees cooler, plus wind chill. So we will at least be in the 20s at night. I mean, and if there's wind, it'll probably be in the teens, depending how hard that wind is blowing. The coldest I've experienced is about 13 degrees. And he's probably experienced much more than that because he's, lived in Alaska. So.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. Also, we have to go back in town for just some small little things here and there. They have a cool backpacking shop. Maybe we'll check it back on our way back. If it's open on Sunday, it might not be. So, stay tuned.
Yeah, I forgot my spoon somehow. Not sure how that happened.
Somehow there's a gay joke in there.
Oh gosh, we're not going there. And so I'm gonna just go buy a fast food place and just grab a free spoon, and we have to get our permit anyway. So.
And I have to get coffee because, gotta stay caffeinated for all you people that live off of caffeine and hate.
Caffeine and hate. That's right. But I'm sure we'll have a good time, and we're gonna, get to wear some warm weather gear for once, because where we live is not.
No,
cold.
It's the opposite. It's 110 average.
But and in the winter, it's really not that cold.
It's 30. It gets.
It can get colder, but
it's cold enough to snow, but it's too dry to snow.
It's not often cold enough to snow, but it's just. I laugh at people because I'll see them wearing like 3 or 4 Walmart cotton hoodies, and of course cotton kills. You're not supposed to be wearing cotton to keep warm. That's stupid. And so I'll be wearing like one thing and being warm, and I'm just laughing at them, and I'm sure you're the same way after having lived in Alaska.
Yeah, I literally wear flannels from the 40s. Literally, from 1940. Either that or I have some jackets and stuff. Like, I had to downgrade all my gear because it is, if you wear anything from Alaska here, you would be just
frying
sweat. You would look like soup.
Yeah, because the temperatures we're going to experience up here right now, that's like warm weather for Alaska, so.
It's about, probably, early, what we consider like fall, like the month of fall, if that. If you actually get 30 days, it's mainly just, you have 2 seasons, winter and spring, and that is it.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, their summer is like our fall. It's virtually non-existent.
Yeah, our winter is fall.
Yes, exactly. We don't have a winter. We have a prolonged fall.
Which is nice. It gets green.
I want real cold weather. That's why I'm here.
Well, if you drive an old car with no heater, it's nicer.
True. But anyway, that's about it. We are going to try and sleep and be ready to get up at 6 a.m., break down camp, eat breakfast, head to town, pick up a couple things, probably after we get our permit, depending on when we get out of here. But, yeah, we got to get our permit. I'm sure we'll have no problem getting a permit, especially right now. It's late season. Oh, yeah, the date is, what is the date?
It's the
12th of October.
Yeah.
So this is very late in the hiking season. There's a lot less people out right now. Although there's a fair amount of people here at the campground.
And there's like
surprisingly.
5, but
5? Oh no. There's more cars than that.
Five.
There's like 20 cars.
5 groups.
What groups?
There's a couple, TIDs that support like 5 people.
Okay, yes, but they generally come up in
And
like
one person
maybe
sleeping
2
in a
cars.
van, so.
Anyway.
Let's say there's 20 people, but the campsite supports like a couple hundred. It's got 2 overflow areas, plus area for cattle. So I mean.
Well, yeah, that's for peak season though too. But
yeah.
And somebody actually is camping in the equestrian spot, which technically they're not supposed to. But who cares? There's not going to be any cattle or cattle, pack animals there. I blame you.
It could be considered cattle.
There's not going to be any pack animals there at this time in the season till next year, so.
It's a little too cold for their ears. They gotta have earmuffs. I'm so
This
stupid.
guy. This guy. He might not survive the night. I don't know. Might get smothered.
Good thing my pillow's all laced up so you can't use it to kill me.
It's okay. I have my own pillow. Thank you.
Hopefully you're not taking that backpacking. That's a little heavy.
No. Definitely not. Anyway, what time is that? I need to look at that.
It's about 5.
It is 18:22. Do you know what that is?
No, I
Give it a guess. Cheater!
It's about 6.
It's 6:22. So early to bed, early to rise. Hopefully we get sleep.
Okay, Benjamin Franklin.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he's the one who. You're
I
just saying,
didn't know that.
You're just saying things that you don't know.
I don't know who.
Yeah,
who
she
quotes it.
Kyle. Who said that? Oh.
Oh my gosh. He said that.
Okay, look, we're gonna edit that out in post, okay?
Oh crap. I don't think so.
Yeah, we're editing that out, but for context, I was using it as an example for all you that don't know nomenclature. You can't just say things you don't know, because Hitler could have said that. I'm making a point, okay?
Yes, he's making a point. He's not a natural Nazi.
Yeah, I'm not even fully white, so I can't be a Nazi.
Oh, you aren't?
No, my
Oh, that's
family's-
right, Native American. I forgot.
Well, I'm also Middle Eastern, too, apparently.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, they did blood tests, and apparently I got a little Middle Eastern.
I had no idea.
Hola.
Allah Akbar. No. Oh my gosh, we're having too
This
much
video
fun.
has gone downhill quickly.
I don't know if I should edit stuff out or leave this in for hilarity.
Like I said, we need memes. Make a
We'll
meme
see.
out of this.
How is... I need to take pictures for that.
No, the audience makes the meme.
Okay, tell you what. If somebody makes a cool meme that we like, there might be a prize in it, okay?
It's gotta be edgy though.
Yes.
It's gotta be it's gotta be on the edge of just over it.
And you have to use one of the pictures or something from the trip. Or from one or any of my videos, okay? Which is like 370 now.
Go to video 1 and find the most
Oh my
ugly
gosh,
face he's
no.
got. Yeah, go to video 1 and
Do not do that.
do it. If he does it, I will.
Oh gosh. But yeah, there might be some sort of prize. You know, I got I have the fire kit I carry, backpacking and stuff. It's super good. Maybe I'll give out one of those and send it to whoever comes up with the best meme. But hopefully, there's enough people watching this right now that
This
are
video
willing
gets
to do
1,000
that.
likes.
And-
We'll do meme contest.
And if you want an actual file of that picture, I'm willing to send that to you. Just mention in the make a comment, okay? I will see your comment, and I can get you that. So no worries there. I can send you that. Just what you got to do is when you see the picture you want, pause the video, tell me the video's name, the time code, and I will send you that video file, or I mean the picture file. So anyway, that's probably all I'm gonna say now, because we've been going on for, holy crap, 14 minutes. Oh my gosh.
Hey, look, it's a whole Adventure Man episode right here on how we go to sleep, but we're not actually going to sleep.
Pretty much. See, you do know how long my episodes are. I'm impressed.
Yeah, you can see that I am a viewer.
Yes, he is a viewer.
Yeah.
I guess he's a fan.
Yeah, I would say I'm a fan of most of your content.
What things don't you like?
It's just like small things, like I already said.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
That's
most
no
of it
biggie.
are like. Yeah, but some of you might be like, "Wow, this video is super gay. Two guys sleeping together."
Oh, no. I'm editing that out.
I'm just saying. Like,
Anyway.
that is the YouTube comment section right there. Is
No.
everybody is gay or everybody is stupid? It's either or.
Yes, but we're keeping this Christian, so if you don't know what we're talking about,
That's
it's because
a
I
meme right
edited
there.
it out.
That's a meme right there. We're keeping this Christian.
Anyway.
If you guys want to see funny videos, look up Christian or Christian chat line or something like that. The funniest thing ever. It is not clean, so make sure that you have parents' permission. And
Parents permission.
yeah, I'm gonna be a Disney.
I'm restricting this video.
YouTube right now. Demonetize.
Anyway,
He demonetizes himself.
I don't care about monetization. But
He cares about you, the loyal and loving fans.
that's right. That's right. Anyway, good night, guys. We'll see you in the morning.
Ugh.